Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products with a mix of expertise and personal experience. Today, we're going to talk about a foundation that promises to deliver natural, long-lasting coverage while keeping your skin hydrated. Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Longwear Liquid Foundation. If you're someone who's constantly on the hunt for a foundation that strikes the right balance between coverage and skin comfort, keep watching to see how this product really performs. First off, let's talk about the product details. The Too Faced Born This Way foundation is a liquid foundation designed for all skin types. It comes in a wide array of shades, and today, I'm testing out the 12 Light Beige, which is described as having neutral undertones, a versatile option for many. It's marketed to provide a natural finish with medium to full coverage. Plus, it's both hydrating and oil-free. The goal? A comfortable wear that doesn't feel heavy or cakey, while also keeping your skin looking fresh all day long. The ingredients in this foundation are designed to be skin-friendly. It's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, each contributing to hydration and skin wellness. So we've got a formula that works to nourish and balance your skin while offering that flawless finish we all crave. Now let's talk about how this actually performed. When I first applied the foundation, I was impressed with its smooth texture. It glides on effortlessly, blending in without any streaks. The medium to full coverage is buildable, so whether you're looking for just a little coverage for the day or a fuller look for a night out, it adjusts nicely. The finish is natural, not too matte, but also not overly dewy, which I love. It strikes that perfect middle ground. In terms of wear, this foundation held up surprisingly well throughout the day. It's sweat resistant, so even after a few hours of wear, I didn't notice any major separation or patchiness. I could see a little bit of shine around my T-zone by the end of the day, but it didn't feel oily or greasy, and a light touch-up was enough to keep it looking fresh. But no product is without its flaws, and here's where it gets a little tricky. For those with dry patches or textured skin, I did notice that this foundation could cling to those areas a bit more than I would like. The hydrating formula definitely helps, but it's not a miracle worker for severely dry skin. Also, the coverage is fantastic for most people, but if you have a lot of blemishes or discoloration, you may need to layer it up or use a concealer in addition. The packaging is simple but practical. It's a glass bottle with a pump, which makes it easy to control how much product you dispense. I personally like this design as it reduces waste and allows you to get every last drop out of the bottle. So, is it worth the price? At the mid-range price point, I would say yes, considering the performance and the quality ingredients. However, if you're on a budget, there are other foundations that perform similarly without breaking the bank. For example, L'Oreal's Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation provides a similar coverage and natural finish, though it lacks the hydrating ingredients that Too Faced brings to the table. As for build quality, the bottle is sturdy, and the pump dispenses a good amount of product without making a mess. I'd say this is a solid, durable product that feels luxurious without being too heavy. Now, when it comes to customer support, Too Faced generally has a good reputation for handling inquiries. Though I haven't had to contact them personally for this product, they've been responsive in the past, so I would expect good customer service if needed. I didn't find any updates or reformulations for this product, so what's in the bottle today is likely what you'll be getting. If you're looking for an alternative that might be a bit more budget-friendly, Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation might be something to consider. It offers a natural finish and decent coverage, though it doesn't have the same hydrating ingredients as the Too Faced formula. To wrap it up, Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Foundation is a great choice for anyone who wants a long-lasting, natural-looking foundation that won't dry out your skin. It's perfect for those with normal to combination skin, and even oily skin can benefit from its oil-free formula. If you've got dry skin, you might want to prep with a good moisturizer to get the most out of this formula. I recommend this product to anyone looking for a solid, dependable foundation that strikes the right balance between coverage and hydration. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.